There you go. We're turning, Kinsley. You're gonna run us into the trees.
Mama.
Where are you taking us? We're supposed to be driving straight.
Dada.
Go straight through there.
Dada. I'm taking us back home.
Oh, you ready to go home? You don't like driving?
No, I'm taking us back home to that lake thing.
Oh, to the dome?
Yeah.
Do you like the dome?